All right, I want to talk to you about my amazing chimichurri turkey sliders. So you're going to start with a nice turkey breast that I'm going to season with Spanglish Asaderos black garlic chimichurri. And then I'm going to wrap that in plastic, let it sit overnight. And afterwards, I'm going to pull that probe in for meter. I'm going to set it up to smoke to 167. I'm going to put it in the smoker at 250 until desired cook time is reached. And look at that crust. It's amazing. What you need to now do is you need to take that webbing off as soon as possible so that it doesn't get super sticky. And then this is important, wrap it back up, put it back in your fridge overnight, slice it up, and look, beautiful deli meat you have there, a nice stack's worth. And what I'm going to do to make a sandwich is I'm going to start with making the chimichurri. All you need is 1 part chimi, 2 parts oil, and I'm making a dipping sauce too. I'm combining the rub with the mayonnaise. Now, I'm going to take some amazing Hawaiian sliders, cut them in half, slather on that mayonnaise, add that turkey. Then I'm going to take some amazing Havarti cheese, put that over top, put your buns on top of that, slather it up with some garlic butter. I'm going to cook it, and boy, these are the best sandwiches ever.